Hey, you awesome, beautiful person. I want to encourage you today. You know, you've got so many thoughts coming to your brain on a regular basis. A lot of them are negative. You have about 64,000 thoughts a day. A lot of them are not so much positive. But remember that you are not the sum of your thoughts. Your thoughts is not truly who you are. It's when you engage in them, which is negative thoughts, then that's the problem, because then you get anxiety and depression, because when you future trip, that is anxiety. When you're going backwards, listening to the past is depression, because you get like, self-pity and all kind of stuff, So I want to say to you, when your thoughts comes, it is quite, many times we go through a trial, a tribulation, or a challenge in life. Could be work, emotion, a physical, maybe a relationship issue, a financial issue, I don't know. And your thoughts goes immediately, why me? Or woe me, why this, and now I must sort it out, and I must whatever, and your thoughts runs in a negative way, and you feel alone, and you feel discarded, and you're the only one to fix this, and if nobody can do this, I need to do this, and that is just wrong thinking. See, we have challenges in our lives. We have challenges, of course, we need to sort some things out, but don't go into that, because that's almost like a victim mentality that you go into. Because woe is me, I must always do it myself because nobody can do it right. That's also pride and arrogance, So, so we need to see that we have to have balance, and so also knowing that you're not alone. Father, Son, Holy Spirit's with you to help you. So I just want to encourage you, when you have these thoughts, you're not the sum of your thoughts, and take that thought and put it in a box and say, I hear you, this is how I feel, but it's not the truth. So take that thought and put it in a box. Say, okay, I see you thought, I hear you thought, but I'm not engaging to you. That's not the truth. The truth is positive. This is going to be sorted out. There's going to be a way out. I'm not alone in this. Yes, people do mess up, but I also mess up. So I also make mistakes. So it's just to help you start realizing to be self-aware, but especially when the thoughts comes. It is so too much sometimes. So I just want to encourage you and love upon you and say, come on. When these thoughts comes, you're not the sum of your thoughts. You have the mind of Christ. You are positive. You're excited. Yes, this is something you have to go through, but don't let it consume you. Don't let those thoughts consume you and get depressed or anxiety or things that hasn't even happened yet. You have the mind of Christ. You are blessed. You have the amazing thoughts. Focus on the positive, not the negative. Ask Father, Son, Holy Spirit to help you. Love you, man. Bless you. Bye-bye.